Hi there, welcome to our channel FreeTech. In this video, we will talk about some Google Drive storage plans. So for this, first of all, let's open our Google Drive app. So once the app is open, now as you can see, I am totally out of storage. So let's see what are the plans they are offering. So I will click on Get Offer here. A new interface will open, so here you need to wait for a while. Okay, so now we have two options, that is monthly and annual. If you want to pay monthly, so there we have this much rupees here, and you will get 100 GB and storage up to 5 others. Next we have is 200 GB, which is 160 rupees, and then you will get 200 GB here, and also you can share storage with up to 5 others. Next, which is the premium, is 2 TB, where you will get 2 TB total storage. You can share with up to 5 other people, and also you will get unlimited magic editor. So this is their monthly plan. If you talk about the annual one, so annual one is for 3800 here. So where you will get the same storage, which is 100 GB, then you will get the 200 GB, which is monthly. You will get just some discount. And then we have premium one, which is 2 TB, and there you need to pay 19,000 per year. So these are the plans of Google Drive. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.